North Carolina, Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Eastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, Northeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 miles west of Lincoln to 5 miles east of Shelby to 7 miles east of Gaffney, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour
fast.
winds and penny-sized hail. Source.
And I had just turned on the WR10.
Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Shelby, Gaffney, Lincolnton, Kings Mountain, Cherville, Bessemer City, South Gastonia, Clover, and Dallas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, and Lincoln, and the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee and York.
Another one.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central York County in upstate South Carolina, Central Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gaffney, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
I was just editing another video.
Power lines. Locations impacted include Gaffney, Blacksburg, Cherokee Falls, Draytonville, Thickety, and Kings Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and York.
Wow, that's the second one within 5 minutes. Yep. That one's not taking it so well. I think I can only get channel... No, not the time. Number 5 I can hardly get. Number 6 is on. How am I getting channel number 2? Channel 3. Yeah, none of I think this one might be able to do it. Shut up. Channel 6. That one gets channel 2. Yep, that one. Oh. That one's not static anymore. Well, it kind of is, just it's acting weird. This one, I don't know why it's acting like that. But, yeah.
National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, East Central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Southeastern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles east of Salisbury to 8 miles east of downtown Concord to 10 miles east of uptown Charlotte, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include downtown Concord, Salisbury, East Charlotte, Harrisburg, Spencer, Granite Quarry, Rockwell, Mount Pleasant, Faith and Reedy Creek Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, and Rowan. Here is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Forsyth County in central North Carolina, Davidson County in central North Carolina, Montgomery County in central North Carolina, western Randolph County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, southwestern Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clemens to near Midland, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Another one within like 10
Impact,
minutes.
expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Asheboro, Lexington, Albemarle, Randleman, Troy, Bating Lake, and North Carolina Zoo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Montgomery, and Stanley. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg.